Angel Oak has a new online training course for non-QM loans. It's super easy to do. All you got to do is click the banner you see on your screen right here. It's over on your left, or if you just scroll down, you'll see the banner there. There's a link on Facebook around here somewhere, but it kind of takes you through all their different programs and how they work, that kind of thing. Super cool. You got to check it out. Again, just click the banner you see on your screen, over on your left or down below.
So, Stanford University, Stanford did a study on mortgage brokers. Can you believe it? Stanford did a study on mortgage brokers. So, I thought to myself, here I go again. Let's just bash all the brokers. Now, the article on the study was titled, What Would Happen If Mortgage Brokers Disappeared? Then, the subtitle is, Home Loan Middlemen, that's the broker, are more than just a necessary evil. How sweet of them. They both benefit buyers and lenders. A new study finds. Really? Brokers benefit buyers and lenders? So says, yes, Stanford University? Well, then tell me how.
Quote, in many quarters, brokers are considered necessary evils. Because they receive commissions from banks. There's an assumption that their advice is often biased toward products that offer them higher commissions. This is exactly the belief and argument that led to the Consumer Protection Act, which led to the Dodd-Frank Act. That brokers have a blinding bloodlust drive for the evil commission, even at the expense of their client. But you noticed Stanford said there's an assumption.
Because the study goes on to say that's not the case. Isn't that interesting? Quote, contrary to popular belief, both consumers and the mortgage market benefit from the presence of brokers. Their expertise helps home buyers find mortgage products that may not be well advertised, and people tend to return to their broker for subsequent needs, such as refinancing, which gives brokers an incentive to be honest with their clients.
Yeah, we all know that. Get to the other part, the helping other lenders part. Curious about that.
Okay, so the author of the Stanford study goes on to say, I found that banning broker services from the mortgage market would be detrimental for borrowers. Consumers wouldn't get to hear about a variety of products, and big banks would have more market power in the market because brokers typically carry a portfolio of products from a wide range of banks and can offer a more diverse set of options to borrowers.
So, by banning brokers, you'd be taking product options off the table. She goes on to say,
here's the bank part. Brokers helped small new banks introduce their products, which were often the cheapest options to consumers. Even though these lenders didn't have a local branch or advertisements and found it hard to reach borrowers directly, buyers who used brokers were 7% more likely to acquire such products than those who didn't use brokers. In return, those banks paid on average a higher commission to brokers.
Now back to the naughty word, commissions.
Again, you have to understand, people, this is from Stanford, one of the most reputable universities in the entire world. Stanford goes on to say about naughty commissions, some consumers advocate having recommended banning commissions for mortgage brokers. But Robles Garcia, the author, found that such a ban would actually decrease brokers' benefits to consumers. And that's because it would decrease the number of brokers in the market offering such products.
I mean, this is pretty awesome coming from Stanford. I mean, I would have thought that Stanford saying something nice about brokers, you know, their products and their pay, would be as likely as Trump saying something nice about Rosie O'Donnell. Yet, here we are. I don't know. It's just nice to know that someone outside of the mortgage industry can see what we do with some level of clarity. Now, if you'd like to check out the article that the study was based on, you can click the link right down below.
You know, and as a mortgage broker, as somebody who's a fan of mortgage brokers, all you have to do is hit that share button right over here with Facebook and start a dialogue about the Stanford study on your Facebook timeline. Who knows? You might pick up a real estate agent as a result.
Yeah, or consumer. There you go.
Right.
Yes. Have a great one, man. Leave us your comments down below. Forward, share, and subscribe. Like Brian said, we'll catch you later for the National Estate Post.
Later, skaters.